Have you ever needed to scan a barcode with your Android smartphone? So in this video, I'll show you how to do that with a use of Google Lens, and watch it till the end because in the end, I'll give you a valuable tip on using this service. First of all, make sure that you have this service installed. You may get it in the Play Store. So simply find your Google Lens. On some modern Android phones, this service is already pre-installed. So tap open. Great, so here's our camera. If it asks for some permissions, give all the necessary permissions, and now simply grab your barcode and pull it up to your camera. As you see, it's already detected it. Now simply press search barcode on the screen and the search has begun. So here's our barcode. Here are all the results or the products which the Google Lens can find. And easy as that. So you can either copy it or you can share this information. So here's the picture, you can translate it. You can select some specific barcode manually, right? And it's still gonna be found. As you see, this phone model is found in some shops only using this barcode. So it's very useful. And here's a little tip. If the barcode was detected wrong or is just not detecting it, try working on your lightning, or as I just did, you can select it manually and it will work anyway. So basically that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Goodbye.